cold walls. Time counts. I'm still here. Years hit slow, but they hit deep. Hope stayed awake when nights didn't sleep. They locked doors, fed me fear. Said stay small, I stayed clear. Chains teach way, silence speaks. Weak talk loud, strong move discreet. I learned pain, don't beg or cry. It waits calm, then multiplies. Just sweat, just sweat, just sweat, just sweat, just sweat. Cold, strong, hope, redemption. Cold, yes, redemption. Cold, yes, hot, so redemption. No faith, just will. No love, blood spill. Who walks free after midnight? No hope, earn. No love, learn. No fear, burn. No rush, firm. Walls fall slow, but minds go first. Freedom hurts, but chains hurt worse. Redemption.